Hi, this is Dr. Jones, and I just want to take you through the procedure to get ready for taking a test. So here we are in Canvas. We went ahead and went to the textbook from the standard link there. And then on the textbook, we're going to have to do something so you can log in not through Canvas, but through another interface. So to work around that, we're going to have to actually log out, and we're going to tell it that we lost the password because you don't really know what the password is for this auto Canvas login thing. So you'll type in your username here and request a reset password. In my case with the test student, I have kind of a goofy username. So you're going to just request that reset password. After the email is sent, you'll get a link in your email client. Click on that link. It'll take you to the external site and ask you for your new password. So go ahead and enter some new password in and verify it. Make sure you got the right thing. And then hit request reset password. Now your password is reset, meaning you know two ways to log in. You can either log in through this interactiveebooks.com or you can log in from the student section. Now let's go over the procedure and see how things will work when you take the test in the actual test environment. We're not requiring the Respondus lockdown browser just for your convenience, but this is what things will look like without the lockdown browser. There'll be just a few slight differences. So once you're at the home page for the course, you go to Quizzes, click on the Test 1 launcher, and begin to resume the quiz. Click here to actually open the test, and on the Respondus version, it will ask you for login just as it did here. So go ahead and enter your credentials that you achieved through that reset password sequence login. The authentication code is test-exam. And then if it does ask you, then you can go down and pick this class. That's the only one on the server. And then you can just go verify that the exam works as expected. For example, we're going to go type in some random answer here. When you hit check me, you just get a response recorded rather than getting actual feedback on whether it's correct, because this is a test environment. However, when you take the programming problems, notice that when you click save and run, it really does, just as it will on the test, save and run the program and give you in-test feedback on the correctness of that. Make sure to go through all this and verify that you're comfortable with, and most importantly, can log in by resetting your password to the test system. When you've completed the test, close this tab, make sure you've clicked on Save and Run, or of course on the earlier problems, make sure you've gone back, and for each problem in the test, you must of course click the Check Me. If you simply type an answer in, for example, if we go down here to this next address and type an answer, but don't click Check Me, that answer won't be saved and you'll lose all your work. You do need to click Check Me on everything, but once you've done that, close this tab and then submit the quiz.